Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Wizard101 error code 404. This error comes when users try to log in or create a new account in the game, but instead they get the 404-page not found error and are forced to re-enter their password. According to the research, this error is likely caused by Discord's in-game overlay or a possible temporary server issue. The first thing we suggest is to close everything on your device and restart it. Then launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if Discord overlay is enabled. If so, then disable it and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try using a different browser and check if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, then it's probably a server-side issue. So wait for some time and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.